Okay, we're at a very cool herd of elephants.
He's literally cherry picking the grass. Okay. And they dust it off to get rid of the chaff, get rid of the dirt. They bury them out. Just take some time to watch like the extras how they use their toes, their trunk, everything to feed.
And you remember we were talking, was it with us, with the giraffe eyelashes? And I said that,
Yeah.
look at elephant's eyelashes.
Oh, they were so cool.
Because they get
Bristly, they're
stuck
like a
into
brush.
bushes, they get stuck and pull branches down. They need to be able to protect their eyes. Eh?
Long eyelashes.
Yeah. Long eyelashes too.
Yeah.
Protect their eyes when they're getting stuck into bushes while feeding. Ooh, good throw.
What do you do?
He lobbed a whole branch to his buddy. That's what they would do if he got it. So that, I think that one at the back there is the biggest there. Back leg.
Here, yeah. Yes. Yeah. Oh, his face is big.
They're shaking off the grass to shake off the dirt and the mud, so they just get the grass.
Yes.
Yeah, the slave tusk, eh? The left hand or right hand one, you can see which one's worn down more than the others, and they'll prefer to use one tusk to chisel away at the bark.
The one in the back is right tusked, and the one in the front here is left tusked.
There you go.
I did not do that on the left ones.
So when they're shaking the straw, they're